Hello everybody and welcome back to another video for Python. Yeah, we're still in the same Hello World Python, but there's no need since we can stack off. But today we're going to be talking about more about strings and what you can do. So let's make a string variable name called name equals burger storm. And then we put that into a string. And then when we do a print, we can do a name dot title. And that what that will do, Control B. Oh, I added one extra T. That'll bring up the actual string name, the name dot title, meaning the full string of the name. So what we could do next is we could do print name dot to upper, and then print name dot to lower. And then if we run this, I'm thinking of C++, and it's kind of hard to kind of realize that they're just upper and lower, and not two upper and two lower. So what will happen is at the bottom you'll see the regular title, and then you'll see it in all caps, and then you'll see it all in lowercase, even though I capitalized both burger and storm. So with that, you can do that. That's how you do that. So the next thing we can do is we can combine two of them. So if we did first equals burger, and then last equals storm 2, since we can differentiate between the two. What we would do next would do full underscore name equals first. Well, we got to put the F first, and then we would do last, and then end the parentheses. And then we could do a print and then we could do a Control B, and there we go. We combined. That's how you combine two strings together, and so on and so forth. Also, you could do it in another way. You can do it is you can just add a string and then add your name. So what you could do is print F hello, and then you can do full name, and that should work. And what that will do, we'll say hello. So we concatenate it off of, well, we didn't concat, but we added on hello, comma, through the printf using an F, and adding that to the strings. So with that, I think that is it, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, guys, thanks. Bye.